There are situations when you need a serious power supply. Regretfully, most of the time, they're either underpowered or just too darn large, heavy, and complicated. Just like how our Zerobreeze Mark II is known as the world's smallest portable AC, we, at Zerobreeze, have always specialized in taking large and heavy appliances compact without any compromise on its performance. This time, we're bringing to you the Zerobreeze Elechive 2200 Portable Battery Power Station. The Elechive employs the latest battery technology. It's slightly larger than a basketball. It's got a lot of power in it. We're talking about 2,400 watts of power. And this, my friends, is how many batteries it would take for a traditional power station to reach a similar capacity. From now on, these are just a thing of the past. I won't even bother demonstrating how to charge an iPhone with it, because that would be a joke compared to what I'm about to show you. This is a FESTOL compound sliding meter saw. It requires 1,600 watts of power to operate. Using most power stations on the market, this would be very challenging to use. But watch this. With the required peak power as high as 3,500 watts, it presents a great challenge to the power supply unit. But with our powerful 2,200 watt pure sine wave technology back in the core, it will handle situations like this just fine. Under normal operating conditions, a fully charged Elechive will last the saw for almost 2 hours. I think by now, you've got a pretty good idea of just how tough and powerful this bad boy is. Alright, let's go have some fun. Let's pretend you are at a typical campsite. You just finished setting up a table and a tent for your family, but you are a little upset because you don't have enough space in your car to store all the things you want to bring camping. But don't worry, the compact nature of the Elechive means you will never have to compromise storage space. For every cubic inch Zerobreeze Elechive saves in your trunk, translates into more space for your food and beer. The Elechive lasts a very long time, whether it's hair drying, powering an AC unit for up to 12 hours, grilling steaks, or even powering a Dometic fridge for up to 2 weeks. It's all possible on a full charge. It keeps the party going all night long. That was pretty fast. Anyway, charging the Elechive is a breeze. Aside from using outlets and car chargers, the MPPT high-efficiency solar charging is also available at your fingertips. And if you use multiple solar panels, you can cut down the charging time in half. If there's the sun, there's the power. I'm gonna go grab some more beer for the rest of the day. In the meantime, check out the descriptions below for more details. And be sure to grab yourself a Zerobreeze Elechive. Thanks so much for your support.